Expert SEM, Supply Chain and Allied Domain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us discuss a term called strategic drivers. So, your business strategic drivers are the collection of people, condition, and the information that initiate and support activities that will help your company define and accomplish its goal. These drivers represent the key influences or the factors that matter to your success of your organization. Some of the most common strategic business driver include, starting from financial objective. One could be increase the shareholder value. Many people believe that the sole reason for a business to exist is to turn a profit. While this makes a logical sense, a company that is only focused on bottom line is likely to going to alienate their clients and ultimately fail. Otherwise, having profit as a strategic business driver is fine, provided it is not the only factor that is influencing your company's strategies. Growth can be another driver. It is often said in business, if you are not growing, you are dying. Then taking for example customer objective, brand. Your brand is a collection of values, symbols, customer experience and reputation that creates recognition and awareness in the marketplace of your company and its product and services. Next one could be customer focus. A customer centric organization is focused on overall customer experience, from product or service design to marketing awareness to purchase process and post purchase follow up. Coming to product service objective, value could be a phenomenon or a driver. A company that wants to increase the perceived value of a product or service to build a competitive advantage would have to be value as a strategic driver. Product or services centric companies take the approach of designing and creating the best product or service they are capable of delivering, paying less attention to external market forces than attempting to find a market for their product or services. Coming to the market driver, the market in which you operate may in itself is a strategic business driver, manifesting through market forces such as competitor pricing, distributor issues, and access to promotional outlets. Coming to the employee or internal objective, people is one of the best driver. Aside from serving customer, a company may also be driven by a desire to serve other stakeholders. This might include investor, employees, business partners, supplier, and even members of their community. Coming to technology driver is that almost every modern organization should consider putting at the top of their list is technology. This refers to your firm using technology and innovation to serve clients better and gain a competitive advantage in a market. Next driver is social or environmental related. Your organization goals may be driven by some issues that lie behind your products and services. This includes social and environmental issues such as equality and sustainability. Thanks for watching. Bye.